These are the elevators here at the Texas State Capitol in Austin. Very interesting lantern. It's this one. I love that chime. E2. Get a view of the end here. Here we are at level E2. Alright, let's go to 4. Another view of the indicator. Whoa, I can feel it moving me up. We're at level 4. Let's go down to E2. And we'll get the other elevators. Let's get a cab view of this one. Very, very nice. And elegant too. Those lights up there. I love these. These are the fixtures right here.
I tried opening that phone box, but for some reason, it just didn't open.
If this wasn't the Capitol, I would have opened that phone box. Alright, we're gonna let that one go. Now we'll look at the other ones. And there's the end. I'm underground now. Which one's coming? Oh, this one. Let's go to 4. There it goes. Ooh, this one has the LED lights for the indicator. Here we are, level 4. Let's go down to E1. Hope this one works. Good thing. Let's get a cap view. Identical to the other one. Very identical, except we're stopping at the second floor. Going down to what floor?
E1, please.
Okay. We're stopping at 1. Going down.
You guys alright?
Nope.
I'm sorry.
Which floor?
I'm going to E1.
Okay.
Please.
I'll stop the video at E1.
Alright today.
Busy moving offices?
We're clearing out all the speakers area, which is a job in itself.
I can imagine.
Right here you go.